I know some of us must have been seeing tamper proofs like this on products, and we were wondering how it is done. So I'm here to demonstrate to us today how you can fix tamper proofs to your product. I know you're thinking it's one kind of magic or very expensive technology. It is simple and easy. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. Very easy and also an affordable. Okay, but before we start, these are tamper proof seal. They are shrink wraps. Look at them. You can buy them right there in the market. You can buy them in the market. So it's two ways. Either you buy these ones that they've already designed and written tamper proofs on in the market. You can see tamper proofs on in the market like this. Or you can customize it. You can choose to go to your printer and tell them to print tamper proof seals for you. So they will print and they will put your name on them. They'll put your name. They'll customize it. They'll put your name on it. And they'll cut it to fit whatever bottle you want to use on. And even in the market, they come with sizes. So you tell them the bottle or show them the bottle you want to tamper proof, and then they'll give you the size of it. But this one, I bought this one in the market just for this demonstration. So I've fixed this one already. You can see it's not well covered, but at least it covered this part. So I'm going to show us how I fixed this one so that for our product, we can buy it, fix it, and make our product feel more authentic. Okay, so these are the tamper-proof labels like I showed us. So you can do this with either using your heat gun machine. This machine is called heat gun. You can see it is hot air gun. You can use this one. If you don't even have this one, you can just use your normal hand dryers that you have at home. You can use your normal hand dryers. To demonstrate this, I'll be using this hand dryers to know that it is not a very difficult thing. So what do? You just fix your... You've already plugged your hand dryer to your plug. Just fix your label to the product that you want to fix and just use your hand dryer to apply it to it. Let's use medium heat. You see, it will just shrink it for you. It will just shrink it for you. If it is heat gun, the heat gun will be faster because that one blows very hot air. This hand dryer does not blow that air like heat gun. You can see it is sticking. You can see it is sticking. You can see we fix this one. You can see we fix this one. So let me do another one. Let me do the last one. So you can see it's very, very easy. You can either have a customized tamper proof with your name written. The printers can do that for you. Or you can buy this normal, and it's very cheap. This pack of 50 is less than 500 naira in the market right now if you're in Nigeria. So I'll just fix it again, and I'll on my hand dryer, and I'll just hold it over it. It will be blowing out air. If I'm using my heat gun will be faster. My heat gun will be faster. So this is how you fix tamper proof to your product, and your product will look more authentic and more genuine because when the tamper proof is broken, people will know that it has been adulterated. So with this, you fix your tamper proof. So you can do that I've used my hand dryer. You can also use your heat gun like I showed you. You can either use your hand dryer or your heat gun. So you can see I fixed my tamper proofs on my products. Fix these tamper proofs. You can see they are very beautiful. I've showed you in this video how you can fix tamper proofs on your products. Like I said, they sell them in the market. They come in a pack of 50 like this. So and they are cheap. It's less than 500 like this. I can't remember how much it is. I've bought this one for a while. So but I know it's less than 500. 50 in a pack you can buy. And then you can either use your hand dryer or you use your heat gun. This one is called heat gun. It is used to shrink wraps around product. We also use it when we are packaging products. Maybe you see those products they package in nylons by 12 or by 6 or by whatever amount, then they shrink them with nylon. This is also used. It's also done using this technology, either with heat gun or your hand dryer, whichever one of them can work. Thank you so much and God bless you.